Hey everybody, it's Robert here again. I've just received my snack crate for the month. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so we got Finland. Okay, I've been there very briefly when I was younger. Helsinki, so we've got the information guide, what goodies we've got inside, some stickers, and the new thing, if you want to enjoy anything that you got, we got the stickers ordering form so we can order straight through them. Okay, let's just dive right into this. Pile of goodies here. Where to start? Okay, let's go to these. Broadway sour cream and onion taffles. Yeah. So I'm guessing they're probably going to be like every other sour cream and onion chip I've had before. Ah, they're really quite small. They're actually really quite tasty. One of the better sour cream and onion chips I've had. Surprisingly, Finland does a good sour cream and cheese onion. Good chip. Okay, let's go for something sweet. Moomin fruit candies. Natural flavors, gelatin free. So good for those people who are vegan and don't like little fake little things. Quite small. Okay. I love a good gummy lolly. It's not bad actually. Natural flavors, it's got red, strawberry, orange, pear and pomegranate, which is surprisingly green since pomegranate isn't green. A little bit chewier than a lot of gummy lollies, but for natural flavor and gluten free, they're actually pretty decent. Okay. Gym. I'm not quite sure what gym's going to be because I'm not looking at the book to see what they are. Just so I get some more surprise. So that looks like a dark chocolate. Okay, yeah. That's dark chocolate with. What is that taste? Okay, as I said, I'm not going to look at the book. Can't quite pick that taste. This unique combination of fruity whipped filling and dark chocolate has a delightful Finnish snackers since 1958. The dark chocolate's there. It's not bad. As for the fruity center, it just sort of tastes like a tropical, creamy-ish center, but it's a whole mashup of flavors of fruit. I can't pick quite what it is. It's not bad. I probably wouldn't buy it again. Okay, let's see. Let's go some savings. Corn snacks. Okay, we got some hearts. And they look like hearts, and it's a corn snack with cheese, nacho cheese flavour. Okay. Yeah, they're definitely little hearts, little puffed little hearts. Not bad. I wouldn't say overly nacho cheesy flavour. They're cheesy, but I'm not getting the nacho. I love nachos. But yeah, they're really nice little heart-shaped puff sort of crackers, cookies. No, not cookies. Chips. Yeah, not too shabby. Okay, we've got some interesting naming stuff here now. Okay, we got a Susu Original. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's going to be chocolate with caramel and wafers or nougat or something. It's a big log. Not sure if you can see that. Right. Pretty much sort of what I guess. Slight different. It's definitely chocolate. It's got a caramelish something. Caramelly in the center. I like nearly rice crisps coated in the chocolate for a little crunch. Interesting flavour. Not bad. I'd eat that. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. I'm not sure. Turkish Peba. This is hot and sour, and it's on the 2 out of 3 on the hot and sour rating. This is going to be interesting. From the packet, they look like hard candies. If I can get into it. Yep. Oh, okay. They're little hard candy type things. Oh wow. Oh. I'm gonna eat one of those. I am not really sure on that. This is going to be probably the first thing I'm actually going to spit out. Oh. Since it's out of the 4, yeah, this is the 4th one. Oh. This is the first thing that I haven't not liked. I guess, okay, the sour and spicy, and I'm not really getting a lot of spice, but a weird sour flavour. I'm not really sure on that. I'll definitely take those to work and give them to my fellow chefs. See their opinion on that. Since 1977, so it's been going on for a while. Wow, I can't even sort of read the back of this to see what's in it. But these little puppies, if you're ever in Finland, I'd probably give them a miss. It's something that I wouldn't buy. They've even got this weirdish smell to it, but they're like those like hard candies that you would buy, which might have a bit of sour or sweet or something in it, or just the original type things. Yeah, that's the first one out of 4 boxes that I haven't really liked. Oh, I need to get something else in my mouth, okay, to eat. Okay, a Tupla Maxi, sorry. I'm guessing it's a hard chocolate bar or something. Let's see. Okay, it's 2 little individual chocolate log things. Seems to be semi-squishy. Okay. So some milk chocolate with nuts through it, and that center is like a hard nougat caramel mix. I'm not going to show. Let's see what that is. See what they say it is. Okay, no, I was right. Cocoa nougat covered in roast almonds, then dipped in milk chocolate. Finnish favourite since 1960. It's actually not bad. Slight nutty. It's nice milk chocolate on it. Nougat's pretty good. Okay, so I've got 3 left here now. Let's go these little boys. Salmiak Pastilla. Looks like a little small packet of cigarettes. Or all those old little raisin boxes that you used to get. Oh, I know what this is. Okay. They're a little diamond-y sort of shaped. I'm guessing this is licorice. I should finally put one in my mouth. Okay, yeah, that's salty licorice. I come from Australia and we have a lot of licorice. We enjoy our licorice. That, not too bad. It's really on the rich saltiness of that on the licorice scale. I'm gonna spit that out. Because I should have probably just taken one at a time, because I didn't realize how rich that was. It's like, you think licorice has got a bit more of a flexibility to it, some of the licorice, like the licorice sticks type thing. That is like really condensed, hard, salty licorice in a small little pellet. And you only need one of those. I don't mind licorice, but I think that one, it's a little on the potent, strong side for me. I like the softer licorice than that. Okay, 2 more. Okay, we got a Carl Fazer. If I'm saying that right, probably not. Since 1891, so it's been going for a while. So they must be doing something, right? Oh, more chocolate. Love some chocolate. So I got a bar of individual chocolate pieces. That's tasty. What are they saying that is? Okay. Yeah, I'd pretty much say exactly what they just said. It's just a pure, good, hearty milk chocolate bar. And they're saying it's made from the finest cocoa. I'd probably agree with that. That's a pretty damn tasty chocolate bar. I'm definitely going to be finishing this off after this video. Okay. Drum roll. I saved the prettiest looking packet till the end. Look how pink and floral that bar is. It's a geisha. God, I'm terrible. So, just from the packet, and it's saying it's a geisha. So to me, geisha is, I think, Japanese, the geisha ladies, the costume, the dress up. And this is saying it's a milk chocolate with soft hazelnut filling. Just from how pretty the packet looks. Thinking it's going to look quite pretty. Okay, that's a big bar of chocolate. And I'm guessing, oh yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Oh. Can't really see. But that's nice. So what they're saying this is, because I'm saying it's a milk chocolate probably with a light chocolate mousse, hazelnut in the center or something like that. Okay. Sweet hazelnut cream with bites of hazelnut praline and coated with a rich milk chocolate. That is correct. That is nice. I'm going to eat another one. I think it's quite funny. It's geisha. And it's coming from Poland. And to me, geisha just reminds me of Japanese. Fine and delicate and dainty. Which I'd say this definitely is. It's really nice. And it is made in Finland. If you've been watching my previous ones, the reason why I was looking to see if it was actually made in Finland, because I got there was something in the Hawaiian packet, which is Hawaiian food, and it was from Spain. So it's something I've been looking at in my things to see if, which I've been getting in the snack crates, if they're actually made in Finland. I mean, I understand like some things aren't going to be always made in the country that they're from, but if you think I'm getting a box of Finnish food, I expect it to be all made in Finland, and this one is. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we're going to keep going with this for another, I think I've got another 5 more months signed up of this. So far, I'm enjoying most of them. Nothing's really thrown me a curveball at me yet. I'm waiting to try and get some like Korea or Japan or some of the unique weird ones or something. I did just get an email, so my next one has been shipped. So that should be here in another month. It's a little slow getting to Canada at the moment. They're having some troubles with their shipping to Canada from America. But so far, I've been pretty satisfied with everything I'm getting, and I look forward to every month of getting a new snack crate box to see what's inside it, and I'm enjoying making these videos for you guys to see what you guys think as well. Not just the videos that Snack Crate make with the actors doing their little spiel and over the top craziness about them, because I've seen the one where they've had the finished box, and it's quite funny to see their reactions to some of the things that I've just had, and it's just so completely blown out of perspective of how it is. I'm a chef, so I mean I taste a lot of food, I eat a lot of food, a lot of weird and different foods, so far Snack Crate hasn't like really thrown me a curveball of, oh my god, I cannot eat this or I won't eat this. Well, except maybe this time with these things. They are definitely going to go to the kitchen for them to eat and try. It's quite a hefty size bag, this is. So what have we got? We got 10 items this month from Finland for the original size. So it's a good size bag and a lot of goodies in here. So till next time, enjoy yourself and keep eating food from around the world, and I hope you're enjoying my Snack Crate tasting challenge. See you guys.